Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you step by step how to use Canva and leverage the power of logos to make money on Fiverr. Beginners or entry-level logo designers make about $100 to $500. Intermediate logo designers between $500 and $2,000 per month, and advanced logo designers between $2,000 and $10,000 or more per month. Now, if you haven't jumped on the Fiverr bandwagon yet, no worries. Check out the gazillion videos on YouTube that can help you create a professional profile. Trust us, it's worth it. So let's dive into Canva. It's like a magical graphic design platform that lets you whip up social media graphics and presentations. They've got a treasure trove of free templates, from awesome logos to snazzy YouTube thumbnails. Today we'll be focusing on logos. Ready? Let's go. First things first, head over to canva.com. The link is in the description below. Once you're there, type logo templates in the search box. Take a leisurely stroll through the logo wonderland and get acquainted with the interface. We've got fonts, colors, symbols, layouts, everything a logo connoisseur could dream of. Play around with different combinations until your design hits the sweet spot, whether it's your own personal preference or your client's demands. Once you're beaming with satisfaction, click on that glorious file in the navigation bar and hit the download button. Customize the download settings to your liking, and bam, your masterpiece is ready to roll. Oh, and did we mention Canva has fancy premium features? Yeah, but don't sweat it. The free version can handle most of the heavy lifting. Alright, now that you've got your logo in hand, it's time to strut your stuff on Fiverr. Remember, first impressions matter. So craft a profile that screams Logo Design Guru. Oh, and here's a pro tip to reel in those clients. Showcase your logo portfolio. Create a dedicated gig section where you can flaunt the creme de la creme of your logo creations. Trust us, clients will be drooling over your design style and expertise. Once those orders start pouring in, buckle up and deliver top-notch logo designs within the agreed-upon time frame. Stay in touch with your clients, understand their requirements, and be open to revisions if needed. Providing stellar service will skyrocket your reputation on Fiverr. And voila! You're now armed with a step-by-step guide on how to create jaw-dropping logos using Canva and make money on Fiverr. Just remember, consistency, quality, and some serious self-promotion are the secret ingredients to building a logo design empire. Oh, and hey, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and of course, hit that subscribe bell if you got useful information. Cheers!